Hey guys, Gear here, and I'm going to be showing you guys basically the most common mistake or way that a two-stroke engine, like on a leaf blower, a weed whacker, small engines like that, why they, after like a year or like 6 months, they just stop running. So on this one, I already did it to it, so I'm just going to show you. So this is a Stihl BR 550. Different models will have different stuff, but on all the Stihls they have this little thing right here. So on the exhaust there's this piece or something like it, and right here there's a screw port right here and a screw port right here. And I'll give you like a little demonstration. Sorry for that, that's just the street cleaner. I'll give you a little demonstration of what it would be like. So see this screen right here? This is not what came out of it. This is basically what, say you get a lot of dirt on the screen. It starts to pile up and then it starts to get all clogged. And then water cannot flow through it. As you can see, there's particles in it. The same thing happens with the two-stroke engine. Oil that doesn't get burned will come and it'll get clogged in the screen of this exhaust. And most of the times, all you have to do is take that screen out and clean it and put it back in. But if you live in California, you have to leave it in because it's just, the only reason that they have it in there is because California law has to require that to have it in there. So most of the time, I'll just take it out. So, yeah, basically that's a simple fix that you can do. And 99% of the time, that's what it is. It's just the exhaust screen being clogged up. On other like brands, like YOB, Craftsman, stuff like that, you may have to take the whole exhaust off and clean it, but they all have screens in them. So once you find it, all you have to do is clean it or just take it out completely. So that was my video about that. Make sure you subscribe, like, comment for more videos, and see you later.